America, there is an inheritance tax. So if, let's say, one has $100 million worth of wealth, and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government. Now that's an interesting law. It says you in your generation made wealth, you are leaving now, you must leave your wealth for public. Not all of it, half of it, which to me sounds fair. In India, you don't have that.
Now Sam Pitroda has gone one step further to say 55% of wealth will be taken by the government as inheritance tax. Even in US, it is there only in 6-7 states. Sam Pitroda has let the cat out of the bag. Every passing day, Congress is giving their economic model some shape. Rahul Gandhi ji talks about redistribution of resources. He wants to do a financial survey. He wants to do an institutional survey. And Priyanka Vadra Gandhi supporting Rahul Gandhi ji. Now Sam Pitroda has gone one step further to say 55% of wealth will be taken by the government as inheritance tax. Even in US, it is there only in 6-7 states. Now he wants to go one step further. Nowhere in the world they have implemented some kind of a inheritance tax. They are 55% flat out. And Sam Pitroda wants that to happen in India. He wants that to be a matter of debate in the election. So it is only very clear what Congress mindset is. Even before coming to power, the shape they have in mind about their economic policy is coming out. And Sam Pitroda has let the cat out of the bag. So people of India will make a choice and wipe out Congress. Everybody's hard-earned money, be it 10 paisa, or be it 1 rupee, or be it 100 rupee, it is people's hard-earned money. Why should they give it to the government just for the sake of it when people already pay tax? And also, why should people allow for a financial survey to happen in their home, where government will know how much gold I have, how much wealth I have, how much money I have, so that Rahul Gandhi by an act will decide to redistribute. So people will not accept it.
इतना ही नहीं, कांग्रेस ने तो आज एक और पत्ता खोल दिया है. उनका हिडन एजेंडा बाहर आया है. आज उन्होंने कहा है इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स, यानी विरासत में भी. अब आप देखिए, हमारे देश में तो दादा दादी नाना नानी भी कुछ बचा के रखते हैं, खुद कभी उसका खर्चा नहीं करते. क्यों? उनके मन में रहता है पोता पोती बड़े होंगे ना, उनकी शादी में काम आएगा, नाती बड़ा होगा तो उसके काम आएगा. वो संपत्ति को बचाते हैं. अनाप शनाप खर्चा मौज मजा में नहीं करते हैं. बड़ी मेहनत करके, मुसीबतों को झेल करके जो संपत्ति आपने बचाई है ना, आपने पूर्वजों ने जो संपत्ति बचाई है, जो आपको मिली है, अब ये कांग्रेस कहती है कि आप अपने संतानों को वो संपत्ति नहीं दे सकते. करीब करीब आधी संपत्ति कांग्रेस की सरकार बनेगी तो कानूनन आपसे लूट लेगी.